Welcome to 87 Ainley Road, a beautiful multi-level home with 4 bedrooms and 5 washrooms situated within an up-and-coming community of Central East Ajax. Featuring a covered front porch and an attached double-car garage that is accessible via a rear lane, the front entrance opens into a home with 3 levels of finished living space, each level showcasing wide plank hardwood flooring throughout, as well as other beautiful upgrades. At ground level is the family room, a great entertaining area for lively gatherings with family and friends, and which is brightened by both an exquisite modern chandelier and natural light through its windows. This level also features a foyer finished with upgraded polished floor tiles, a private home office with a closet, and steps to a sunken tiled hallway, off of which is a walk-in coat closet, a powder room with a pedestal sink, access to the garage, as well as access to a spacious and unspoiled lower level. To the second and third levels are carpeted staircases with dark-stained hardwood railings, with the second level showcasing the remaining entertaining spaces, a bedroom, and a washroom. The principal entertaining areas enjoy an open concept flow and design and have large windows for abundant natural light, with the formal dining area having the added illumination of a gorgeous modern chandelier, while pot lights brighten a living room that has the added coziness of a gas fireplace. Striking contemporary pendant lights hang above the kitchen's island, which has seating and a stainless steel undermount sink with a gooseneck faucet, and the kitchen also showcases quartz counters, cabinetry with contemporary door and drawer pulls, 2 glass paneled accent cabinets, and which is complemented with the additional storage of a pantry closet, upgraded floor and backsplash tiles, as well as a stainless steel oven with smooth surface cooktop, a 2-drawer French door fridge, and a built-in dishwasher. The sliding door walkout off the breakfast area has light diffusing privacy panels and opens onto a large south-facing balcony above the garage that stretches across the width of the home. The bedroom on this level is bathed in diffused light streaming through its oversized north-facing window, features a double closet, and also has its own private entrance to the adjacent 4-piece washroom, which showcases a tiled floor, a contemporary vanity with stone counter and undermount basin, and a bath area with a soaker tub, tiled walls, and a glass shower enclosure with a sliding door. The third level features the remaining 3 bedrooms, all which have ensuite washrooms, with the second bedroom featuring a double closet and its 4-piece washroom having a tiled floor and bath area and a vanity with drop-in basin. The third bedroom has 2 arched north-facing windows, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, a tiled walk-in shower area, and a vanity with quartz counter and undermount basin, as well as a walk-in closet. And this level additionally features a laundry room which has a tiled floor, a front-load washer and dryer, and the convenience of a linen closet across the hall. With its south-facing exposure and 2 oversized windows, the master suite is bathed in bright natural light, and this very generously sized personal space has ample room for a sitting area, a large walk-in closet, as well as a newly updated 5-piece washroom showcasing upgraded tiles surrounding the soaker tub and finishing the floor, a contemporary vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basins, as well as a tiled shower area with glass door. a short walk to Viola Desmond Public School within the catchment area of Cataraqui Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, Ajax High, and Notre Dame Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and steps to Lexington Park. This home is also close to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.